Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So quite often we talk about rabbit ears on $1 coins, and that's certainly something to look out for. But there are lots of different cuds that can be found on $1 coins. So I thought we'd go through some of the ears, and I haven't got these in any particular order. We'll just pick them up and have a look. But I think most of them are different, so that's what I've tried to do. I've got lots of duplicates, but I've tried to put aside the duplicates and just show you some different ones. So these are certainly coins that are well worth looking out for, and certainly going to be worth more than face value. So yep, keep looking for rabbit ears, but here's a few other ones. So I'll zoom in a bit. So this one here is a Spuru. You can see there we've got a fairly nice cud on the back of the second kangaroo there. You can see that underneath the chin of the first kangaroo. This particular coin is a 2016. So I'm fairly sure I've got a few different Spurus to show you. But that's the first one there. Now I'll put that one aside. I'll just keep going through and we'll just see what we find. Oh yeah, so this is a 2010, and I do have an example which I'll show you in a moment, but this technically is a Spuru and a rabbit ear. So it's got the double cud there, and you can see that quite clearly. It's probably a good lighting there. So 2010, this one's got a bit of wear to it, but yeah, double cuds there. What have we got on this one? Oh, yep. Now you can see this cud here on the side of the big kangaroo here. What is this one? It's a 2015. So look out for that there. Might be... no. I thought there might have been another little cut up the top here, but there isn't on this one. But keep an eye out for that. That's the 2015. What else? What's the next one? Okay, so we got a big cud there. 2015. Did I already show you one of these or not? No, so this is a 2016 and the one on the left is a 2015. So you can see they're slightly different, but basically in the same spot. So yeah, you can collect, and there's certainly a 2010 version of that. So yeah, there's lots of different cuds to find. This one here, you can see the cud up on the back of the top kangaroo here. And from memory, it's a 2010. I thought it was going to be a 2009. So some of these cuds are rare, and some of them are more common. Certainly the 2010 Spuru would be one of the more common ones. Okay, we can see a little cud there on the back of the top kangaroo. Just a little cud there. And that's a 2009. So I was 1 year off before, and it is in a different position than what was on the 2010. Not sure which coin it was now. So we got this one here, which is a little bit different. This one's got a few different cuds on it. There's at least 3 or 4 that I can see right now. So I'll see if I can zoom in a bit further. So we got the one in the rabbit ear position. We got almost like a little cud on the back of this kangaroo, and then we got 2 on the side here. One up the side of the head there, and one on the shoulder. So there's 4 cuds on this particular coin, which also makes it more collectible. And that's a 2016. So this is probably another better example of that coin. And so yeah, these are 2 exactly the same coins, both from 2016. So you can see them there, so keep an eye out for those ones. What else we got? Another little cud on the back of the top kangaroo, and that's a 2009 as well, so I might have doubled up on that one there. And just a little cut on the top of the kangaroo there. So obviously, oh, this is a 2008. Another big year of rabbit ears is a 2008, but that little cud there is something a little bit different, not often seen. What else we got? A bit more of a shiny one. Oh yeah, tiny little cud, just up the top here. Left a fingerprint there. It's a 2016, so a newer one. Lots of little errors on the 2016s. And nice big spiroo there on a 2016 coin. And another little cud there on a 2016. So plenty of cuds to be found on the 2016s. And oh yeah, not quite a rabbit ear, but something a little bit different. Flat sort of cud there on the top of that neck of the top kangaroo, and that's a 2015. And I was just trying to. It's pretty much a missing leg as well. On this kangaroo here, so it's a missing leg and it's got a cud, so there might be a slight little indication of there being a back leg depending on the light, so maybe not quite so a missing leg, but yeah, lots of different ones. Also on other coins from other $1 coins, you can see there big cut at the top there. In the branches of the tree. Plenty of those ones to be found, and usually the cuds are in the same position. So that's a 1993 Landcare coin, and one other one here. This has got a cud, so International Year of Older Persons, so 1999. Check out the cuds, look out for cuds in the center there. Usually around that same spot each time as well. I do have a number of examples of these ones, so I've just pulled this one out for you. Now, the last one I'm going to show you is really probably the rarest. Now, I'll show you why it's the rarest in a moment, but we can see there on the side of the big kangaroo, on the side of the neck, we've got a little cud there. And so what makes this one so special is because the coin is a very low mintage 2016 changeover coin. So with only 500 and I forgot the number now, but in the 500s minted, that means that this particular coin with this error, I've probably found 3 or 4 of them, and I have sold the rest of them, but I've kept this one. And I sold them for around $50 each. So there are cud collectors out there who really value this particular coin. So this is certainly one to look out for whenever you do find one of these, and it is tough to find one of these nowadays. Certainly getting harder and harder. Every time I'm noodling, I'm struggling to find them. So yeah, keep an eye out for that one as well. Alright guys, well I hope you've enjoyed looking at some other cuds that aren't Mob of Roos. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure you do so. Alright guys, we'll bring more videos to you soon. Thanks for watching.